Hey, it's me. I'm JC. JC is what I call me. I'm back with a first try. Which kind of first try is it? This is from last week. This is Every Man's Jack. This is a tote bag, but also the stuff in here that I'm going to be trying for the first time. So, like I told you before, this is the first try. Then next week, I'm going to give you a review. A full week. That should give you kind of a good testament. Ready? So this is a part 2 of them. First, this is Every Man Jack. Every Man Jack is the name, right? And this is a Volcanic Clay. These are facial wipes, and this is Volcanic Clay, and it has oil defense. I'm going to start off using this, and then next I will be washing my face with this right here. This is the Volcanic Clay face wash with shine oil, and it's the oil defense right here. And last but not least, it's lotion. Right here. Right here. This right here is Melanin face lotion with shine oil defense. So I'm probably gonna be moving this around one more time so I can get you like more of a wholesome personal full on thing. So this is just the intro. But like I said, this is what this looks like. This is all 3 of the products I'm trying. This is part 2 of it. And if you have not watched part 1, I'm looking hard right now for that. So I'll be right back with you with the skincare for the winter care and first tries. Ready? See you soon. So, first things we're going to do is this. I'm going to be starting with the wipes, which this whole process, I need to take my glasses off. First, I'm going to be starting with this facial wipes. So, as you see, this is what it looks like. It has to open. And you just take that off. With this, please try your best not to take it all the way off. And we'll just do like that. Now, as a reminder, what's great about this is 30 wipes. So if you do this every single day, it's 30 days. If you do this for like, say if you want to just use this when you work out, that may work too. It's up to you. Alright, first things first, let's get this dirt off my face. Take the glasses off. My glasses probably won't be back in the frame until later. Ready? Okay. Get all your areas when it comes to facial wipes, because it's kind of weird. It says it'll shock you how much access you have all over, and just get like around your neck too, just in case. Okay. And and so, and from that. That's all. Now, I won't lie, this shows kind of the dirt I have. Yeah. Some people say, would you ever use one twice? I have gone down that line that most of the time, I have used like a facial wipe like twice, where you just regret it. But we're not doing that. It's a gift, so splurge. I'm going to add the water now, and I'm going to go ahead and do this right here. This is the face wash. This is Volcanic Clay with shine oil. And how did the light feel? It felt great. It feels very like intoxicating. Like it's a different feeling. And now I'm going to add this much to this. Not trusty thing. I just wet it. So I'm just going to add this like in a certain area. I'm going to go like this. And get your T-zone area. And get like right here. And from that, just like this with your face. Watching my face is funny. Because I'm like, without my glasses, a lot of y'all know this. I'm like right here, like right up in it. So, that's pretty much it. It's not that like, it doesn't take that long to wash our face. So you just wash on and wash off. Alright. Yeah, I'm going to be using a shirt. Okay, and last but not least, let me go ahead and talk about a little bit more of this. This is 5 ounces right here. And it feels good. This face wash, it just feels cleansing. There's no like main smell to it. That's really great. I like that. I don't like something that's too much. I mean, I feel like it calmed down what the wipes were doing, like the cleansing. Last is not least is this right here. This is the face lotion with shine oil. So I'm gonna go like this with one finger. That's as much as I need. Now, if you feel like you need more, that's up to you. When it comes to face lotion, it's more like a moisturizer for most of them. Okay, I first tried it. It ain't good. I like it. Alright, let's see what the ingredients is in this too. This has water. That's the first ingredient. Aloe vera juice. Oh, no wonder I like it so much. Glycerin. So most of this, it has like a dewy kind of complex first. And then it comes in, I think, less with the multiple ingredients. But don't forget, what's so great about this line is that right there. And this says that it's fragrance free. It's naturally derived, cruelty free, no animal testing, gluten free. I guess because it's edible. Also non-GMO, and please recycle. Yeah. That's pretty much it. I don't want to stop for the road. Well, first try, I can say that I like it, and I'm ready for the whole week. I'll see you in the next week with a full review of part 2. See you with the next one.